Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, Make with Bella. Today we are going to make this delicious Tigernut pudding, which is also called Atadwe Koko in my language, that is Akan in Ghana. This pudding is to die for and is the top of my favorites, not forgetting its romantic medicinal history. Join me as we make this creamy and delicious dessert with only 3 ingredients, that is rice, tiger nut and sugar. And I've also got some questions which your answer will be needed in the comment section. This one a plus 18 business. Abi you know that. Atadwe and the one mama today. Now the tiger nut and rice has been soaked overnight. You are not going to drain and rinse with clean water. Then blend both the tiger nut and rice with water until smooth. So as I mentioned earlier, tiger nut is something I really enjoy eating, either raw or cooking with its flour. I mean, anything made with tiger nut is a must eat for me. And most of the time when I buy tiger nut on the streets, I see men looking at me as if to say, "Hello lady, what are you doing with this?" Come on guys, this wasn't made just for men. Nah. We are now going to strain the mixture 3 times to remove all of the chaff. And then in a pan, we will caramelize the sugar on a low heat until it is golden brown. Then add the strained mixture and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens and then well cooked. One of the most common benefits we hear about this is that it is used to increase sperm count and also to treat erectile dysfunction. I want to ask, how true is this? And is that why men think tiger nut is just meant for them? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now our dessert is ready. It can be served hot or cold. And if you have a sweet tooth just like me, you can add some evaporated milk and there you go. Also, apart from its sexual health benefits, it is high in minerals and vitamins. So, don't be surprised if you see a lady eating it just like me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell. I keep saying this so you can be alerted whenever I post a new recipe.